Community Partner Award recognizes those who strengthen the fabric of our region through collaboration, service, and a shared commitment to improving the lives of those we serve.
We started with a challenge grant to set up the foundation by the Randolph J. and Estelle M. Dorn Foundation. We actually started with $1.8 million to start our endowment. And today we hold almost 300 funds, which are agency funds that benefit local nonprofits. They are community grant funds where we can make grants to projects in the community. And of course, scholarships, which is a very big part of what we do and how we partner with BGSU Firelands as well.
It actually goes back in many ways to a common mission that we share with the people at Bowling Green State University Firelands campus. 60 years ago, the people who founded Bowling Green Firelands campus were many of the same people who founded the Erie County Community Foundation. And they looked at trying to find a way to make education more accessible and more affordable for the people of our region. 30 years after that, many of the same people who helped create the initiative that ended up in Firelands College created the Erie County Community Foundation. And they found a need in a similar fashion how we could make philanthropy and supporting nonprofit activities in our area much more accessible and affordable, and make that something that people of all means could support with their charitable dollars. And effectively, those same people helped Erie County Community Foundation be successful for these past 30 years.
When I was employed at BGSU Firelands, I was the Director of Enrollment Management and Student Retention Services, and I chaired the scholarship committee there. So I got to see scholarships in action, and specifically those that went to BGSU Firelands students, and saw the impact that those scholarships had on the students, their lives, their careers, and especially once they graduate and go out into work, and you see the real true impact of that money that we fund students. Over the last 20 years, the foundation has funded students in the amount of $617,000 in scholarship funds. So students truly are benefiting. The foundation has a total of 52 named funds, and so those scholarships go to many students all over Erie County, but we have a special partnership with BGSU Firelands.
We started with $1.8 million a little over 30 years ago today, and now the foundation is over $50 million in assets. And we grant over $1 million every year to benefit the Erie County community.